name is Charlotte Gangan, 46 years old, with invasive ductal carcinoma. When I received my diagnose, talagang hopeless po ako. Nalungkot po ako, then hindi ko po alam kung anong gagawin ko. When I pray to God, He answered me naman with verses with Joshua 1:9. He said to me, "Be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you whenever you go." Nabuhayan po ako ng loob, and He sent me Tree of Life. Actually, naka-schedule na po ako for surgery at ayaw ko naman po mag-take ng chemotherapy. Kasi ang sabi nila, good and bad cells mo mawawala. And then, manghihina po yung katawan. Thank to God naman, nung kinancel ko po yung aking surgery, nag-enter po ako sa Tree of Life. Dahil po sa Tree of Life, nag-shrink po yung lumps ko ng konti-konti. Talagang diligently, talagang patient ka na mag-take ng mga supplements, and also very accommodated naman po ang mga staff and also the nurses. Talagang they didn't treat me as a patient. Tinuro nila po akong nanay at ate. And then, marami po akong natutunan sa kanila kung paano i-prepare yung aking food at saka juices na ginagawa dito. And also, the therapies, talagang yung treatment modality po nila, talagang gusto-gusto ko po. Especially po yung mega dose vitamin C drips na talagang nagbo-boost po ng aking immune system, nagpapalakas. And also the plant-based na kinakain ko po dito, talaga pong nagpapa-energize po ng aking pangangatawan. Hydrocolonics especially para mag-clean po yung aking colon at saka matanggal po yung toxins ng aking pangangatawan. Talaga pong masasabi ko na thank to God kasi dininig niya po yung aking panalangin thanks to Tree of Life.